You do? Do you like boys? No? You don't like boys? You're not gay? Are you bisexual? Bisexual or not?
No.
So you like girls?
That's me?
You like girls or not? Yeah? You have a girlfriend? That's cool. Why not? You gotta be like me, like Momo. Get a girlfriend, man. You got bitches? You get hoes? You don't get hoes? Why not?
Pregúntale if he thinks they're cute.
You like girls? You think girls are cute? Is there any cute girls school? No? They're all black? Bunch of ghetto bitches? Ugly hoes? No? Is there a cute one? Yeah?
I don't know which one.
You don't know which one is cute? What's wrong with you, man?
What's wrong with you?
No, what's wrong with you, man?
You!
What the hell you mean you don't know which girl is cute? So tell me, man, do you have a girlfriend or not?
No!
Do you like me? I'm your brother, right? Tough love. Say hi to the camera. Say hi.
Do you like me?
Do you like her?
Do you like me?
You don't like her? You don't?
Ve la cara.
You do like her. That's my girl, bitch. No, no. Say bye. Bye. Bye.
Bye.